Good morning students, this is B. Ramkumar, PGT Maths from TSWRS Boys Kondurg. Hope everyone are safe at your home. Today we are going to discuss
converting terminating decimals into rational numbers.
Observe the below picture. Here a pizza is here. The pizza is divided into some parts. Count the number of parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I want to give a number to each piece, for example, I took this piece, then what is the number we can give for this piece? Okay, as a rational number, we can give 1 by 8 because out of 8 pieces, we are taking 1 piece. Therefore, we can give that one as 1 by 8. Or by in decimal system, we can give the value as 0.125. Students, today's our class objective is Swarrows will be able to convert terminating decimals into rational numbers. What is our class target? What is our objective of the class? Convert terminating decimals into rational numbers. We know that rational numbers have two types of decimal numbers. What is that? Rational numbers have two types of decimal numbers. They are terminating decimal. Second one, non-terminating but recurring decimal. Terminating decimal means they are ending at one value, but non-terminating means they never ends. For example, observe here 0.12. It is ending here, that is nothing but it is terminating here. Therefore, it is the decimal number which is terminating. So, it is called terminating decimal. Like that, 2.786 is also terminating at 6. 45.9875 is also terminating at 5. Therefore, these three are examples for terminating decimals. While coming to the non-terminating but recurring decimals, observe the example 0.3333. That is nothing but it is never ending. That is nothing but non-terminating. But observe in the example, 3 is repeating number of times. It is repeating. That is nothing but called recurring. It is a new word you are getting here. That is recurring. Recurring is nothing but repeating. Observe the example 1.6666. Here which number is repeating here? 6 is repeating. Is it ending anywhere? No. Therefore it is non-terminating but recurring decimal. Similarly observe here 0.428571. 428571. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are repeating here. That means once again after this one, once again you will get 428571. Such type of examples are nothing but non-terminating but recurring decimal. Actually our today's topic is how to convert a decimal to a fraction. We know that fraction is a part of rational number. That is nothing but we are converting decimal numbers into rational numbers. Which type of decimal we are taking? Our class target is terminating decimal into rational number. I am taking one example 0.25. Convert 0.25 to a fraction or a decimal number. For that we have 3 steps here. The step number 1, you read here, rewrite the decimal as a fraction with a denominator of 1. That is nothing but here the given number is 0.25. In the first step you write just 0.25 as 0.25 by 1. While coming to the step 2, multiply the numerator and denominator by 10 to the power of n. Here 10 to the power of n is not, the 10 to the power of n is equal to the number of digits after the decimal. In the given number, how many decimal places are there? 0.25 is nothing but here 2 is one decimal place, 5 is one decimal place. In the given number, there are 2 decimal places. So, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 10 to the power of 2. 10 to the power of 2 is nothing but 100. So, multiply the numerator with 100, denominator with 100. If you multiply 0.25 with 100, you will get 25. If you multiply 1 with 100, you will get 100. Therefore, you will get rational number as 25 by 10. Observe, this is not in simplified form. So, we have to go for simplification. It is nothing but your step number 3. In the simplification, 25 by 100 is there. If you cancel it in 5 table, 5 5s are 25, 5 20s are 100. Therefore, you will get 5 by 20. Once again, you can cancel it in 5 table. 5 1s are 5 4s are. Therefore, finally the result is 1 by 4. That means 0.25 is equal to 1 by 4. Example. Convert 0.125 into rational form. That means first we saw one picture which is divided into 8 parts is nothing but 1 by 8 or 0.125. Now we are going to show these two are equal. Okay, what is the first step? Rewrite the decimal as a fraction with a denominator of 1. That is nothing but 0.125. Write as 0.125 by 1. Next we have to multiply the numerator and denominator in the second step. But by which number? Count the number of decimal places in the given number. 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places are there in the given number. So we have to take 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3 means we have to multiply 10 3 times. Indirectly we are getting 1000. So multiply the numerator and denominator of step 1 with 1000. 0.125 into 1000 by 1 into 1000. If you multiply the numerator terms 0.125 and 1000, you will get 125. And if you in the denominator, if you multiply 1 and 1000, you will get 1000. Now we will go for the simplification. Step number 3, simplification. In the step number 3, we got 125 by 1000. Now I am simplifying this one. You got, I am calculating in 5 table. 5 2s are 10. How much will left? 2 will left. 2 5 means 25. 5 5s are 25. Indirectly 5 25s are 125 I am getting. Now cancel the denominator in the same table, that is nothing but 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 digits over. What about the next 2 digits? 0. Just you carry the same digits. Now what you got? 25 by 200 you got. Once again you can cancel these two terms in 5 table. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 20 over. What about the next digit? 0. 0 will carry forward. Now what is the result you got? 5 by 40. Once again you can cancel it in 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 8s are 40. It is nothing but you are getting 1 by 8. Actually what we took? 0.125. What is the result we got? 1 by 8. Therefore these two are. Next question. Convert the following decimal into rational form. What is the given number here? 2.5. There is another method to convert the decimal number into rational number. Let us see now. What is the given number? 2.5. You can write 2.5 by 1. Now you write down the digits directly here. 2.5 without the decimal. What are the digits you are getting here? 25 means 25. In the place of 1 you write down 1. Here how many decimal places are there? 1 decimal. You just write 10. That is nothing but 10 you will get. Indirectly you are getting 25 by 10. If you cancel it in 5 table, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. Therefore the result is 5 by 2. That is nothing but the decimal number 2.5 is equal to 5 by 2.
Right.
Let us see another example. Take the number 3.75. Write down the first step. What is that? 3.75 by 1. Without the decimal, what are the digits you are getting? 375. It is directly 375. For division step, division. For 1, 1. Here how many digits are there in the decimal? 2 decimal places are there. So I am keeping 2 zeros. Indirectly I am getting 375 by 100. Now cancel it in 5 table. You will get 5 7s are 35. 2 will remain. 2 5 means 25. 5 5s are 25. Like that if I cancel 100 in 5 table, you will get 20. That means we are getting 75 by 20. If we cancel 75 by 20, once again it in 5 table, we will get 15 5s are 75. 5 4s are 20. Therefore, we will get 15 by 4. Finally, 3.75 is equal to 15 by 4. Convert the following into rational numbers. First problem 2.2, second one 5.55, third one 1.25. Convert these three problems into rational numbers.
Okay.
Thank you.